Have you ever wondered if there's more to reality than what meets the eye? If magic could be more than just illusion, something deeply woven into the fabric of the cosmos? Today, we're diving deep into the mysteries of quantum magic and how it can transform your life. In the vastness of the universe, there are mysteries that defy our rational understanding, inviting us to explore areas beyond the limits of the known. One of these mysteries is magic, a force that transcends the laws of physics in the mind, intriguing those who seek the hidden secrets of the universe for centuries. Magic is much more than mere illusions or tricks. It is an expression of the connection between the human mind and the subtle energies that permeate everything. It invites us to look beyond superficial appearances and explore the deeper realms of consciousness, where the true essence of reality resides. At the heart of this exploration is the quantum realm, a subatomic dimension where conventional physics dissolves into a sea of infinite possibilities. Here, permeated by energy and consciousness, magic finds its place, offering us the opportunity to shape and transform reality according to our deepest desires. Now imagine tuning your mind to the vibrational frequencies of the universe. You become a channel for the manifestation of your deepest desires, transforming dreams into reality. In the quantum realm, consciousness isn't just a passive witness. It's an active participant in the creation of reality. Every thought, every emotion is like a wave that resonates through the universe, shaping reality in subtle and powerful ways. This idea that reality is fluid and malleable, shaped by the consciousness of those who experience it, is the essence of quantum magic. We are active co-creators of our reality, participants in a grand cosmic game of creation and manifestation. But how exactly does our consciousness influence quantum reality? The answer lies in the depths of the quantum field, a domain of infinite potential. Here, consciousness acts as an observer that collapses the quantum wave function, transforming possibility into reality. Every thought, every emotion emits a unique vibration that resonates with the frequencies of the quantum field, attracting experiences that correspond to our inner energy. This is the true secret of quantum magic, the recognition that we are the co-creators of our own reality. Through creative visualization and ancient practice, we use our imagination to create a vivid and detailed image of the reality we wish to experience. This activates the manifestation mechanisms of the universe. To master the art of creative visualization, it's essential to learn the art of concentration and focus. We must direct our mind in a disciplined and consistent way, keeping our attention firmly fixed on the image we wish to manifest. This takes practice and patience, but the results can be truly transformative. By visualizing our desires as if they were already a reality, we activate the same neural circuits and thought patterns that would be experienced if those desires had already been fulfilled. This creates a powerful resonance between our mind and the quantum field, thus accelerating the manifestation process. Thank you for embarking on this journey with me, exploring the profound ways in which quantum magic can transform not just our lives, but the very fabric of reality. Remember, the real magic is in serving the greater good and creating a more harmonious and compassionate world for all beings.